Hi, today we are going to learn something about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Today, this will be an introductory section where I will be talking about few basic tags. These are also called as markup tags of HTML. Every tag describes some part of the document content. The tag names are the keywords which are surrounded by angle brackets, which you can see on the screen. You can check HTML or the B tag. Every tag starts and ends. These are also called as opening tags and the closing tags. Now look at the basic HTML page structure. Every tag starts and ends. You can see HTML/HTML tag, body/body tag, h1/h1 tag and paragraph tags as P. These are basic versions of HTML. It had started in 1991 and we used to call it as HTML. The next important version was there in 1999, which we used to call as HTML4. Then there was XHTML in year 2000, and now in 2012 and 13 we see HTML5 and XHTML5. For writing HTML code we need HTML editors. What we recommend is Notepad++ as one of the most lightweight and user-friendly and easy to use notepad. So let's go ahead and start writing our first HTML program. Let's pull out an editor, and right now I'm using Notepad++ and start writing your code. The very first line of every HTML page should be your doctype HTML, which stands for the start of the HTML5 page. I will talk about it later in the section. So let's start with HTML/HTML tag, and inside that write body/body tag. And let's start writing our very first tag as h1, which is a heading tag. And let's write hello world. Save this file as .html file. So just choose a location. I'm just saving it on my desktop inside a folder HTML. Let's call it as hello world.html. Let's save the file, pull out an editor, a browser, and open up your file, and here it is, hello world. So this is your very first HTML page. Also, inside the HTML tag you should also include head tag. Inside head/head there are a lot of tags which can be used, but right now we are going to use title tag. Inside title/title write the title of the web page. Let's say this is my title. I'm saving it, and now let's refresh the browser and look at our page. You can see on the tab that the title is displayed. Now let's move ahead and check out few more basic tags of HTML. Let's look at what paragraphs, links and images are and how we can use that on our web page. So let's write a paragraph. For writing a paragraph you need a P tag. P stands for paragraph. So inside P/P write some text. For example, this is one paragraph. Save it and refresh your page on the browser, and you can see that the paragraph is displayed. Now let's go ahead and make a link. For writing a link you need a ahref tag. A stands for anchoring. Ahref equal to double quotes. Inside those double quotes you have to write the reference file name or the URL on which the link should go. For example, I am writing http://iwillstudy.com and I am saving the file. Now let's refresh the page and see what happens. You can see this link, click me, and when you will click on this link you will actually go on the URL. The next thing we have to do is to use the img tag for including an image. So use img tag and close it like this. So we need an image to show, and make sure that you know the extension of the file, and this is .png file. So just write the file name, make sure that the file is there in your folder, save it and refresh the page. And here it is. You can see an image coming on the browser. Also you can adjust the height and width of this image by giving a height or width parameter. For example, 50 pixel is the width of the image. And now refresh your page and see what happens. You can see the width is and the height is changed. That's all for the very first session. We'll move ahead to